Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a quick little video of what sets some of us apart from the other guys that are mowing. And that has to do with sharpening the blades, which right here you can see a little pile of them. And what we have here is a blade sharpener. And what this does is make it to where we can quickly sharpen blades. We have a mechanic that comes in and he will actually sharpen these blades, change them out throughout the week. So it's not like a once a week process where we're sharpening the blades. If we go and sharpen them once a week, they're actually extremely dull after just a couple days. So to get a better quality of cut, and the reason, this is also the reason why we only mow sodded turf, is that we want to keep these blades in great condition. They cut and everything looks a whole lot better when they're kept sharp. So we're able to basically just turn this machine on and he's able to pull these right through this machine and it sharpens them real fast. Normally just 10 seconds or so a blade, and they're sharp and they're ready to be switched out with what's on the mowers. So you get a lot of guys that may sharpen them once a week, once a month, or they might not even sharpen them at all, and that can cause a lot of damage to your turf, cause disease issues, just ugly cuts, not mulching correctly. A lot of issues with that. So you definitely want to make sure whoever is mowing your grass, or if you're doing it yourself, even if you're mowing it with your own mower, at least sharpen it once a month at the most, and that will or at the least that will give you a good cut. There'll be about 4 or 5 cuts on that one blade. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and we'll get it answered. Thanks a lot.